We're going to take a look at some free ways to search for video ideas. And we're going to do it in 3 minutes or less. Let's say you're starting a YouTube channel and you've picked out a niche, maybe woodworking, and you want to know how that's doing. Well, if you use a YouTube search, the results you get back are real searches from real people. So if you drop in woodworking, anything that comes up, like I said, is real searches from real people. And you can see what people are interested in your niche. Well, let's take that same search and we'll take a look at Google Trends. If you go to trends.google.com and drop in your search term, it shows you the interest over time. This is the past 24 hours, but if you go to the drop down, you can change that. You can go all the way back to 2004. And if you look below it, it shows that the people that search for woodworking also search for these related terms. And it gives you a better idea of how your niche might do. Well, if you haven't settled on a niche yet and you want to see what else is trending, just go up top and click Trending Now. You may find another topic in here that you want to take a look at before you make a final decision. As you're searching for topics to make videos on, keep it simple. Simple how-to topics. You want to provide what people are looking for, and there's no need to be original. You want to be useful and fill the need that people have. Once you do settle on an idea, whether it's for a niche or for a video idea, you want to validate the idea. So as you're searching on YouTube, you want to check to see what kind of views people are getting on it. If they're getting good views, that's a good sign. If you want more videos like this that are short and to the point, just come back and see us. And if you've got topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments. And if they're reasonable, we might just give it a try.